Hey, welcome back to another 21 Pilots reaction video. So, in last few days, we checked, a few weeks ago actually, we checked the 21 Pilots self-titled album. So, in this video also, we are going to be checking another song from that album. So, it is going to be Isle of Flightless Birds by 21 Pilots. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. We got different type of birds here. What is he playing? Is that some kind of a guitar? Da, da, da. Okay, we got a long intro. Oh, I like this. It has a bouncy feel to it. I like this. Got bass too.
Story that gives the demons and angels purpose.
Okay.
They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to
yeah. Hold up before we go into the chorus. Wow, what an interesting thing to say. Like in cartoons, we have seen like good person, good angel, bad demon, just floating around, trying to influence their good side and their bad side into our thoughts and make us do things. So it's like always the good and evil is always in battle inside of you. You know what I mean? Whatever you do, even if you choose the good side or the bad side, you're still serving them to please them. You know what I mean? Interesting. Wow, I didn't think of that way, like as pleasing them, but yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, okay. Interesting.
All we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're landing our homes against running roads, and we think the going is tough. We pick songs to sing, remind us of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping. Your will will creep in your head and you'll cry. But if we wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can take apart our very heart and the light will set us free.
Jeez, I did not expect Tyler to go whoosh, if you know what I mean. Holy hell. I like the fact that Tyler is self-aware in here. You know, it's as humans, all we do is, you know, giving birth and stuff. That's some next level self-awareness, dude. I feel like as humans, we all are responsible for making our own lives complicated. You know what I mean? We always say this is too hard, this is too harsh. In a sense, it is completely true that Tyler says that we line our houses in against the winding roads and say the going is tough. As humans, I think that's all we do. We go into difficult locations. We choose the difficult path and complain that it is difficult and say that only the tough is going, and because the going is tough. I think all human issues in mind and physical issues, you know, technological, political, social, and mental, all these issues are self-inflicted. Everything. I think that's what Tyler is meaning, and I personally believe that is true too. Let's go. The bass. Oh, are we going into a bridge? Okay. Okay.
How frustrating, it's so degrading. It's time we're wasting, as time will fly by and the sky will cry as light is fading. And he is waiting, oh, so patiently while we repeat the same routine as we will please comfortability. Yeah, please think about why you can't sleep in the evening. And please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides. And it's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine.
Oh. Wow, Tyler is in the next level of self-awareness here. Damn. I really like the drum beat here. This album, particularly this album, had a lot of piano in it. Piano or keyboard, whatever you want to call it. Wow. It's a long and slow outro. What a way to calm the song down. Wow, the last verse though. I think Tyler is referring to God as he, you know what I mean? His time we wasting, this is his time, his world, and we are wasting it. That makes sense. We are like not living actually. I think that's what Tyler is trying to say. We are always doing the same thing, if life goes bad, we do the same thing, we do the same bad things. We are not trying to live the life, if it makes sense. It's like doing these things automatically just because your mind say to do so, not because I want to or because I feel that's the right way to live. We just let our minds be controlled by all these good thoughts and bad thoughts. We're not trying to make sense of them, we just do them automatically. I think Tyler is trying to mean that even with all these, so still this is early 21 Pilots, they have no Blurry Face or demo or whatever. So I think Blurry Face, even though we have like stories about the 21 Pilots universe, in core sense it means that you should not give in to your good feelings or bad feelings. You must pick for yourself what is good and what is bad, and be aware of the moment you live in, you know what I mean? I think that is the whole point of the 21 Pilots universe. That's the whole point of Demar, Blurryface, Nico, whoever it is. It's Tyler's message to say that you need to live your moment, live in this moment without letting your mind take control of your own life, you know what I mean? I think that's the ultimate message that 21 Pilots wants to give us. Anyway, that was my reaction to 21 Pilots' Isle of Flightless Birds from their early work, from their self-titled album. So yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys very much for it. And as always, comment down your thoughts and recommendations, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.